Hello guys, it's Monday. We are ready for another week, right? Not too busy, not too volatile at the moment, as I'm looking at the economic calendar for this week that we will break down in a few seconds. But I want first say for you guys that the surprise is gonna happen tomorrow. And if you're not into the Telegram channel, you won't be having the surprise because if you're not registered for the tomorrow's webinar, you're not gonna have the replay. All right, so this is it, and this is the only one that will happen. All right, it's not gonna be on YouTube, the replay as usual. I won't post in there because this is the only for the people that actually helped us to build the Telegram channel to 110 subscribers as we are right now, and we're going even more. Okay, so make sure to register for tomorrow's webinar and give us a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to the channel. If you ask where is the link for the registrations for tomorrow's webinar, it's just on the description of this video. Otherwise, you can go to ACY website, learn, and then webinars and seminars, and then you look at for tomorrow. Remember that it's now 1 hour before what it used to be. All right, so now it's 5 to 6. Before it was 6 to 7. Now it's 1 hour before because the daylight savings have ended. Okay, giving this information out, I just want to thank you again for the 110 subscribers on the Telegram. Now, let's have a look on what we got for this week here. Not too much things happening, to be honest. I hope you guys can see me, right? Because my legs are doing like this on the stove. And I'm a big guy. I think I'm 170, 78 or something. So that's a big store. Anyways, now, Monday, we only have German trade balance and the mortgage rate for UK and Europe. So nothing happening too much on today. Now, Tuesday, 9th of April, so tomorrow, the FOMC member Kashkari will do a speech. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Kashkari will pronounce the speech. So it's very important, those speeches from the FOMC right now on the turn for another FOMC meeting. Why? Because this is when investors will be gathering data across all the FOMC speeches, right? We're gonna have Paul. We had Paul last week, and he stated a few stuffs that I've been mentioning on the Telegram group already. So if you're not there, you're losing informations. You better be there. And some other things. Sorry guys, my throat is a little bit dry today, so I'm trying to, take it easy so you guys can understand me and I can not suffer too much. But the FOMC member will speak tomorrow, and it will be at 9 a.m. in the morning for us in Australia. Remembering that this is all Australia time, okay? Then at 10:30 a.m. we're going to have Westpac consumer sentiment for Australia. This is very, very good as well. The previous was negative 1.8%, so not good at all. So we need to be looking for at least get off from this negative territory. The consensus is not showing to us at the moment. Maybe it will show before the news come up. And then at 11:30 we will have the NAB business confidence. We have the consumer confidence at 10:30, and we have the NAB business confidence at 11:30 for Australia as well. Then on Wednesday we will have the RBNZ rate statement and RBNZ interest rate decision. Of course, widely expected already 5.5 will maintain as the previous, so no changes at all. Very important to see what they will say about the economic outlook in the rate statement. That will be 12 p.m. so lunchtime, and then something has to happen right on Wednesday, and this is the CPI for USA, month over month and year over year. Month over month is expected to be 0.3% month of March, and year over year is expected to be 3.4% from March last year to March this year. So I've explained this already, how it works. And we have core CPI as well, that it's pretty much the same measures, and this will happen at 10:30 p.m. on Australia time. Then we will have the member Bowman speaking at 10:45 p.m. in Australia, and then we're going to have the Bank of Canada interest rates decision, widely expected as well, another pause, all right, at 5. Now, on Thursday, we won't have anything, but at 4 a.m. in the morning, we will have the FOMC meeting minutes. Okay, this is very, very important to see what they actually have discussed in the last month FOMC rate decision, because I want to see what they have stated about the economic projection for this year, same as I did on last June, as I've mentioned that already. Then this will be at 4 a.m. I've just mentioned. We're going to have then at 11:30 a.m. CPI from China, year-over-year, month-over-month, and then we have some minor ones, and then we have the monetary policy statement as well as the ECB interest rates decision at 10:15. So we do have already three interest rate decisions right there, RBNZ, BOC, and ECB right now. After that, we're going to have PPI, and then we have ECB press conference, of course. And then on Friday, we don't have much besides the GDP from UK at 4 p.m. on Australia time, and the German CPI, and a few minor Europe countries CPI as well. So this is it from this week, guys. So pay attention. This will be some volatility in some of the days, but not in all of the pairs. I guess we will have a stronger dollar this week, continuation for a stronger dollar, because we just had a much higher NFP, reaching the numbers of 303,000, and a better unemployment number, and an as expected average hourly earnings last Friday. So this is making history, okay? We've seen numbers that we haven't seen 1 year ago, in the past 1 year. So this is very, very bullish for the US dollar, and I'm waiting for this bullishness to get affected into the market throughout this week, from today until Friday, and I'm looking for a lower euro dollar. But this is all the things that we'll be discussing tomorrow on my webinar. So make sure to be registered, and I will wait you guys there. So besides from that, have all a good and safe trading week ahead, and I see you in the next video.